Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rema Graphics, where I drop tips for your everyday life as a graphic designer. Today's tutorial is going to be a very brief one. So in my last video about text effects, many people were asking me how they can extract these text effects to use them in Pixellab. Well, this video is also to show you that there is no need for any extraction. After downloading, you can just go to your Pixellab and use this text effect. The only thing you need to do is to download it. So I have here the folder where everything is, and you can see all the text effects that I have created, that I have downloaded here. So after downloading, that's the only thing you need to do. You don't need to do any extraction. It's already a Pixellab project file. That's the meaning of PLP. So it's made for Pixellab. You are not extracting anything. It's not a zip file. Alright, so once you've downloaded it, you just need to go to your Pixellab application. So after doing that, all you need to do, like I said in my last video, is to come over to this three dot icon and then clicking on .plp file. After that, you click on this icon here, and these are the text effects that I have downloaded on my device. I did not need to extract anything from anywhere. The text effects are already here. As far as they have been downloaded on your device, they will appear in this directory you get. So you're just going to click on the one that you need and then click open and add and click OK, and go back, and then your text effects should just be added. So you're not extracting anything from anywhere. So guys, that's just it for today's video. Just wanted to show you that there's no need for extraction, as I saw many people asking. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new here, before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it to someone who might need it, and don't forget to comment down. Also comment down anything at all you want me to do a Pixellab tutorial on. See you guys in the next video. Bye.